Keep pushing down, 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 down. Nice go. Keep pushing those heels down. Keep pushing back in the back of your saddle. Stand kind of like, there you go. Looking good, Lauren. Keep pushing back into the back of that saddle. Put that weight down in your stirrups. Good girl. Nice. Real nice. Okay, stop your horse. Beautiful. Oh, she's kind of enjoying going around in a lope here, aren't you? Looking good, Lauren. You're doing real good. You're hardly even bouncing. Keep sitting back a little bit. There you go. Keep pushing down with those heels every time she hits the ground. Every time she lifts those feet up to the air, push down. Now, 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 now. Okay, do I hit the red button and stop it again?